Welcome to my channel, I'm Bea. My channel is about art journaling, mixed media, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Now enjoy my video. Hi all! Today I'm gonna play with the jelly plate, some paint and some printed ephemera papers. This is gonna be for the European Travel Journal collaboration. Enjoy my process. Pages are printed. First I did print on my laser the ephemera text, and then I did jelly print it. Now I'm cutting it apart and folding into the signatures. I made sure I had 1 or 2 more than what I actually need, just in case. And so my next step gonna be adding some rub-ons and some stamping which stays on. I'm gonna add on each of those 4 a little bit of an artwork. I decided to copy one of my sketches. I'm gonna glue that down and then paint it in. In case you are interested in playing along with the European Travel Journal, I thought it's a nice idea to have a European version of collaboration. So if you're somewhere in Europe and would like to participate, leave me a message in my Facebook page. I will have the link down below in the description. Welcome to the next part. So I'm here with the envelopes from Eleni from Greece and from Almut from Germany. So I gotta unpack and see what they did send me. Oops. Hello, Bea. Here are my papers. More, so you have more choice. Just because there was so much fun. Okay, that sounds really familiar. We all have the tendency to do more than what we really need. So it's all good. Thank you, Almut. Let's see what we have. So there is the wax paper. That's interesting. That's a sort of a pergament paper. And that are her printed papers. Nice. Oh, I have this one. Okay, so I'm gonna incorporate to this one of my booklets. And she also has some stamps for me to play, I guess. And then here from Eleni, there's already a napkin peeking out. And a lot of extra goodies. Fun. So what do we have here? Really appropriate for this time. This little envelope. Oh, I love the mermaid. Thank you, Eleni. Had fun creating this page. Hope you like them. Looking forward to yours. Best wishes, Eleni. Thank you, Eleni. So let's see what she has in papers. Nice. Cool. So to make a cover for my European travel journal, I did use a piece of craft cardstock. Did cut it slightly bigger than my papers. That's depending on what kind of size papers you have. I'm gonna pre-fold it because I wanna run it. Just making sure. Looking good. Through my big shot over here, and I want the pattern on the outside not just embossed but also stamped, so I need to add it in a certain way, like this. And I'm gonna use the blueprint sketch color. So that's what you get. Now you decide which side you want as the front side and which you want as the back side. And I think I'm gonna also add some wax. I have a gold wax here, any brand gold wax would work, and I'm just rubbing in it. So I have done both sides. Now it's time to insert my papers. And I'm gonna use a little bit of waxed linen. And I just eyeball it. So we have here a little mini journal for you to work on. If you would like to have one, just leave me a comment. I would like to have one. It's going to be a random generator, the YouTube random generator. So, and if you apply, please make sure that you give me a way to contact you so that you can actually, that I actually can send it to you. And I'm gonna send it flat.